How to find deleted messages on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll simply show you how you can find deleted messages on Instagram, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now it depends upon what you're trying to find out, whether you're trying to find a message that your friend has recently unsent and that you want to find what are those messages, or whether you're telling that you have deleted a whole chat yourself and that you want to get all of those data back. You can absolutely do both of these. So first of all, let us get started with the unsending process, right? So basically you can see my one account over here. I also have another account, so I have sent a message from this account to this account. Now for this account, this person has not seen the message sent from this account over here, so I'll show you over here. In this case, I'll just go ahead and open it up. Over here you can see I've sent a message, so I'll just go ahead and then unsend it. Now let's say that the other person, which means me, again on the next page, is actually not being able to find it because that person simply unsent it, right? So how do we go ahead and then simply find those unsent messages? Well, it is actually very simple to do that. All you have to do is, there is a feature on our Android smartphone called notification history. Open up settings, and then you have to go to notification settings. In my case it is under advanced settings, and then here I'll find notification history. I just need to turn on notification history. What this does is that when you receive a notification on your phone, be it a message or whatever else, your phone is going to keep track of it, and even if the other person unsends or deletes the message, your phone still has that notification history. So it is basically going to show you what that specific message really was. So in this case I'll just select Instagram over here, and as you can see right over here you'll be able to see a list of all these messages over here, and that just basically means that other person has actually gone ahead and then sent you a message. So you can see the one over here as well. You can actually see a post sent by this specific person right over here. This is one way to do it, right? This is one way to view the unsent messages by a notification history feature. The other scenario is, let's say you deleted a chat yourself and that you want to get back all those chats. Now I'm not really 100% sure about this method, but you can actually send a request to Instagram. So come to your profile page, tap on the three lines icon, and then go to settings. In the search box, you just want to type in download your information and you'll find this search article. Just go to download your information, and then over here just make sure to enter the email address that was associated with your Instagram account or any of the Instagram account or email address over here. Once you enter the email address, Instagram is actually going to give you a notification in this specific email address when the data is ready to download. Now since it is a large file, it may take some time to go ahead and then confirm with the password and everything. After you've done that, you have to check your email, and Instagram is suddenly a link and download information with basically all of your data, including the chats as well, of course. Now this is how you can find deleted messages on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.